Today, we're diving into a topic that's both shocking and thought-provoking: the recent execution of death row inmates in Florida. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the cases of James Duckett and Dominick Occhicone, both convicted in separate murder cases. But before we get into the details, let's set the stage and explore why this story matters and what it reveals about the criminal justice system. First things first, the execution of James Duckett shortly after 1 p.m. and the impending execution of Dominick Occhicone Tuesday evening are stark reminders of the harsh realities of the justice system. These cases are not just about the legal process, they're about the lives of individuals and the impact of their actions. What makes this story particularly intriguing is the contrast between the two inmates' cases. While both were convicted of murder, the circumstances surrounding their crimes and the public's perception of their guilt are vastly different. James Duckett's execution has sparked a range of reactions. Some argue that it serves as a deterrent, sending a clear message about the consequences of violent crimes. Others question the fairness of the legal process, pointing out the potential for errors and the impact of societal biases. The public's response is a fascinating insight into the complexities of justice and morality. Dominick Occhicone's case, on the other hand, presents a different set of challenges. The public's perception of his guilt is more nuanced, with some arguing that he was a victim of circumstances and others suggesting that his actions were driven by a complex web of factors. The upcoming execution raises important questions about the reliability of the legal system and the role of public opinion in shaping justice. One thing that immediately stands out is the impact of these executions on the families of the victims and the broader community. The emotional toll of these events cannot be overstated, and it highlights the human cost of the criminal justice system. It also underscores the importance of empathy and understanding in our approach to justice. What many people don't realize is the intricate web of legal and ethical considerations that surround these executions. The process of reviewing and challenging convictions is a complex one, and it often involves a deep dive into the evidence and the circumstances of the crime. This raises a deeper question: how can we ensure that justice is both swift and fair in a system that is inherently flawed? In my opinion, these executions serve as a stark reminder of the importance of transparency and accountability in the criminal justice system. They also highlight the need for ongoing reform and a re-evaluation of our approach to punishment and rehabilitation. From my perspective, the stories of James Duckett and Dominick Occhicone are not just about the legal process, they're about the human experience and the impact of our actions on others. As we reflect on these cases, it's crucial to consider the broader implications and the role of public opinion in shaping justice. What this really suggests is that the criminal justice system is a complex and multifaceted entity, and our understanding of it must be equally nuanced. It's a reminder that, as a society, we must strive for justice that is both just and compassionate.